Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So welcome back and a massive thank you
to a whole 1,000 of you! We can't believe it, can we?
You're super excited, and the kids.
It's been ridiculous all day in this house. Absolutely ridiculous. We went on to YouTube this morning to have a little nosy, and we saw the 1,000 subscribers. And the kids literally went wild. We ended up having a pancake breakfast. You can still hear the carnage.
Oh, they've enjoyed it, they really have. Obviously for kids, you can imagine it's a lot more excitable.
Yeah, no, it's a big deal for them. I mean, it's a big deal for us. But when we started this, we always said to them, if we get to 1,000 subscribers, it was always, that was our sort of target.
Nearly 4 months later, here we are, 1,000 subscribers. So this is to say a massive thank you for everyone that supported the channel, the comments that we've had, and just the general support. And, you know, we've had support in lots of different ways from lots of different people, whether it just be our viewers or fellow YouTubers. You know, we've met some brilliant people along the way, and
well, I think we were really privileged as well when we started. We started at the beginning of summer. Obviously, some of you have met us at the shows, and we've met other people through different methods, you know, Instagram, sites. It's just been brilliant, hasn't it?
So socially, it's been fantastic. Our travels and adventures have been fantastic, and we've had an absolute fantastic time.
Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for all your support. We really appreciate it.
Dexter, what do you love most about the motorhome?
So we get to travel, and when we get bored of the sites, we can just go to a different one. It's because we got the bunk bed and we all get sleep on the top. That we get to travel to places we've never been before.
Yeah!
I tried!
There's no way of getting
This way.
Woo! 1 down, 2 to go.
How do I do it?
That way. That way.
This way?
Yeah. It's still a lot of cleaning up, isn't it? Yeah. We finally did it!
So, here's for the next 1,000. Let's keep going. But until next time,
We'll see you in a bit.
ciao guys.